Alright, now we've got a review of the Shattered Glass Reissue Optimus Prime and Ratchet 2-pack. Which is just right now. It is very good. There's nice paint everywhere. As usual with John Warden, there's really good detailing in the sculpts. There's no gaps anywhere on here, unlike what you see with Legacy and so forth. Everything seemed to be panelled out and filled. There's a really nice sculpt on here. The eyes look pretty sinister in the paintwork. It's really good plastic on here. The paint, well, definitely minimal, is very much as well. Here we go, this little stripe here. That blends in fine, there's no overbleed anyway. So that's good. Nice little tamper graph there on the shattered glass. That's meant to be a wound that Megatron gave him, that he kept there to remind himself of his weakness. Fortunately, because it's tamper graphed, the middle of it is still intact. It would have been better to just have an actual cracked piece. Inside here we've got the matrix chamber. So that's a nice colour. There's a good detail in the spark chamber. Little lines, rings and panels inside. There's the matrix here. This fortunately only painted on the one side. And, weirdly though, in the comic itself, Shattered Glass Optimus has silver and light grey. So the gun should be silver, and all of his legs and all this should be light grey, including his hands. And he shouldn't be gunmetal grey on him, it should be silver too. The alt mode is very panelly in the chest. So that's something to watch out for. The head also has a tendency to pop off when moving it into the alt mode. Where he has fingers as well, but they're all in one single joint. This was $56.99 and I bought the reissue because I wasn't planning to pay £500 for two bloody Transformers. That really should have been a lot cheaper. You know, scalping, everyone gets nothing. Oh, and there's a little flaw on mine. You can see the window for the light is miscut, so it leaves a gap there. Some of these panels are a bit tricky to get in. To make sure I'm not stressing the plastic. There's a spring in here for some reason. There we go. Oh no, I think this plastic's stressed here. There we go. Get his head in now. There's barely enough space to clear it. Oh. There is a small tab at the back here. This is a bit tricky to get in. Hold his ass down. Back, rotate around, and just remember his hips do swing outwards. helps to put the arms in first. There are tabs here to line up. So, push the grill in. It's pretty good. Yes, this does look really good at the lorry. You see all the gas tanks at the side, the smokestack. Doesn't seem to be a door though. Just a bit odd. Then there's the tail lights there, those aren't painted in. The standard earth raise mold. The ion blaster here. The stock is extended. I wish you could push it in. There's a little ammo loader up there. This opens out so you can fold it back and then attach something else. You can place it on the back, or you could just stick it down. Some bit of energy tank. And here we have Ratchet. So, yeah, this that's retool they did of Siege. It doesn't quite work as a real ambulance because of the feet on the back. But this is from the Shattered Glass universe, so we can just pretend that's what they look like in the Evil universe. This is a gun / medical tool. It would have been nice if Optimus came with his axe he had in the comic as well. He's supposed to have the Siege axe. These toys do also double as Purple Wicked Convoy and Angolmo Shattered. Corrupted Ratchet from the Selects manga. The winners are always a bit tricky on you to pull out on every version of the mould, and for some reason, I don't know if it's just as they didn't maintain the mould, but these panels fall off repeatedly. Yeah, I've stretched out like your mother. Yep, here we go. Fortunately, it's just friction clips which appear to have no friction. Got these repair sled here. Perhaps you could place that down. Maybe right. There we go. There's that panel. That was a cat. I could say that's a little repair bay in there. The original. I'll just leave those off while I transform it. And I swing around here. Locking the back to the shoulders. You could try heating these up and then push them together, but I'm not sure how good it will be on this plastic. Here we have Ratchet. The face sculpt is really dark on here. You can barely see the eyes. But they are red in there. Deep red. It is just the standard Ratchet Earth Rice Siege mold. Yeah, little details in the back there, or ports. His shield, which is also some kind of melee weapon. And he's got what appear to be thrusters or guns in the back. You should pretend he's thrust stabbing someone and we're about to shoot you. And this is clearly silver painted on the white plastic. This is a nice deco. And it's nice to have something that represents the end of Ratchet. I just wish I could find the Studio series. Or maybe the Masterpiece. This is worth picking up. And they may just repaint the Optimus to have his lighter colours. Be more accurate to the comic.